Hello friends, welcome back to another video of SoftTech. So today I'm going to show you how to get two different WhatsApp accounts on the same Android phone. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. So let's get to the work. Now take settings and click apps. So in this apps you get option like twin apps, or in some other phone it will be dual apps. Just click on that and enable it on WhatsApp. So now new WhatsApp comes in your phone. You don't need to download it extra. Just it comes on your home screen. See, this is the new and the old one. New WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp I already used. So bye friends, this is for today. See you in the next video.